Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Averageifs and Sumifs in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to use the Averageifs and Sumifs with the multiple criteria. So two criteria here for Averageifs and average Sumifs. Okay, so let's start the first Averageifs. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the Averageifs. So select here the average ifs function. Then first select the average range. Okay. So here I'm going to calculate. Here I want result the average amount as per the year and product. So average amount I will get through the amount column. So average range will be amount column. So select the first cell and use the shortcut key shift control down arrow to select the entire column. Then use the comma, then select the criteria range 1. So criteria 1 is a year. So year range will be year column. Okay. So criteria range 1 is a year column. Select the cell and select the entire column. Then use the comma. Then criteria 1, select year 2022. Okay. Again use the comma. Then criteria range 2. Here the criteria 2 is a product. So product range will be product column. So select the entire column and use the comma and select the criteria 2. Criteria 2 is a product. So select here the product cell. Bracket closed and enter. That's it. The 350 is the average amount in of the 2022 year banana products. Okay. So let's start the sum if. So first select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the sum ifs. Okay. Then select the first sum range. Okay. So here I'm going to calculate. Here I want result the sum amount as per the year and product. Sum amount I will get through the amount column. So sum range will be amount column. So select the cell and shift control down arrow to select the entire range of data. And select the criteria range 1, means criteria 1 range. Here the criteria 1 is a year. Year range will be year column. To select the year column, entire column. Okay. And use the comma. Criteria 1 is year 2023. Select this cell. Then use the comma. Criteria range 2. Okay. Criteria 2 is a product. So product range will be product column. So select the cell and select the entire column and use the comma and select the criteria 2, the product apple product. So select this cell and bracket close and enter. That's it. Here you can see the 1000 sum total as per the year and product. It's mean in 2023 apple product the sum amount is 1000. Okay. If you want to cross check this, just simply apply the filter on your data. Shift Control L to apply the filter. Then filter the first year 2023. So I filter here the 2023, then Apple. Okay, 1000. 1000 is a sum total. It means it's correctly calculated. 1000 is a sum total. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.